Kumbi. Now we switch gears and talk about the business update, where we are focusing on promoting financial empowerment for entrepreneurs. Now, entrepreneurship can be a transformative option for many young people to gain economic independence, shape economies, and also drive businesses for good. However, insufficient access to finance remains a consistent barrier for young people who want to start and grow their businesses, which in turn limits their ability to generate income, create jobs, and also contribute to national economies. Good enough, many interventions have been put in place to support entrepreneurship in this country, and our focus today is going to be on small and medium business enterprises. Our guest this morning is William Kayongo, the head of enterprise banking, DFCU Bank. Good morning and welcome to the show.
Thank you very much, Priya, and good morning to our viewers. Okay,
so what is DFCU's SME Mobi Loan and how does it support entrepreneurs?
Thank you very much. The DFCU SME Mobile Loan is an instant unsecured credit facility that our customers are able to get. Now, what is very dear to us as DFCU is to make credit become a little bit easier. How have we made it easier? Is by just dialing a *240 hash or going to our quick app. Now, what is very interesting that when you look at the small or the micro, small and medium enterprises, this is a group that usually has challenges with accessing credit. So what DFCU has said that when you look at most of them, they require small working capital requirement, and that's why we have capped it to the maximum of 5 million. Now, that 5 million, you are able to pay it for a period of 30 days.
Oh, wow.
Now, what is also unique, we have gone ahead and said small business. Now, small business means you release. Now, we are telling the entrepreneur, the person who is running the business, you have a number of bottlenecks that you are running with in your business. So DFCU is here to take charge of the need. Now, the need to paint a picture for you. Let's look at a hardware shop in the suburb of Nigeria, in the suburb of Machindie, Matuga. Now, this hardware shop is shopping, he has a supplier, maybe at Nakasero Market. Now, when you go to Nakasero Market, you may find that the person who is supplying to you has unique ceramics that are needed by your customers. But at that particular moment, you are not able to purchase goods worth maybe 3 million. That's why the *240 hash comes in for DFCU. You're able to access that financing. Now, it's instant. Within seconds, you're able to pay for that ceramic, and when you go back, you're not going to have the stockouts. So that's how we have seen, how do we support the informal sector, how do we support that business, which is SME.
I'm glad you highlighted the key benefits of the Mobi Loan for small business owners, but now I want you to help us understand how SMEs manage cash flow and working capital, that is by using the Mobi Loan.
Okay, thank you very much for that. Now, SMEs usually have a working capital gap. Now, based on your cash conversion cycle, you will find yourself that at one time T, I'm a little bit limited to get this cash because of a delayed payment. Now, there is a delayed payment, but at the end of the day, there is also a customer who comes at your shop every day. He's not going to understand that you have a delayed payment somewhere. So he needs to find that you have the goods or you have the service. Now, that's when the DFCU Mobile Loan comes in to bridge for you that gap. To manage your cash conversion cycle. So at any one time, you shouldn't have stockouts. At any one time, you shouldn't be limited to offer that service. So it supports you whenever you have a cash flow gap. So that's how we are able to support the entire ecosystem.
Yes, and also manage. Now let's talk about eligibility. Who qualifies among the SMEs for this Mobi Loan?
Thank you very much. Now, each and every customer who has banked with DFCU for a period of at least 6 months, you qualify for this limit. And now the call to action to anyone who wishes to join the family of *240 hash or quick banking, you need to bank with us for six months. Now, why 6 months? Because the limit that we give to you is based on the information that you have given to the bank in terms of your bankings. Now, the bankings is the deposits that you make at the bank. When you bank, we are able to create a limit for you. So the limits are based on how much you have been able to bank at DFCU. So once you bank with us for a period of 6 months, we create a limit for you and you're able to access the credit.
But then how does DFCU assess the credit worthiness of these SME applicants?
Okay, thank you very much for that. Now, it goes back to the banking that I'm seeing. Now, it's based on the banking, it's based on your credit history, because right now we have the integration with your national ID. We have that integration and we're able to find out how many credits you have across all the entire industry, banking institutions. So that is part of the process. So as long as your credit is very well managed, you're also banking with us very well, then we pre-score you and create a limit for you. So that's how you are able to get onto the Mobi Loan.
Yes. Now you talked about the Mobi Loan's repayment plan and structure, but then how does it support the SMEs' financial management?
Okay, thank you very much. Now, for any person who is looking at growth and getting to the next level, the first thing you need to do is to manage your credit and also understand how your cash flow is within your business. Now, how the Mobi Loan helps you or supports you to manage your cash flow and also understand some of the risks that you have in terms of management, financial management, is to first of all understand how much is my business generating. How much more can I take on in terms of credit? Because at the end of the day, the credit you are taking is not free. It comes at a little cost. So at the end of the day, you need to calculate how much money am I being banked, how much money is being generated, and at the end of the day, the profit that you make is used also to pay part of the installment that you're having at the bank. Yeah, that's how. If you integrate the entire process, you come out as a person who is more knowledgeable about financial management and also managing your cash conversion cycle.
Okay, Mr. William Kayongo, any parting shots on the SME Mobi Loan as we wrap up the conversation?
Oh, thank you very much. Now, for anyone who is out there and wishes to see that you are able to manage your business, DFCU Bank is out here for you with a *240 hash. It's very critical at this moment that you manage your business, to manage your customers, because at any one time, any customer who comes at your shop is really grateful when you give that superior service and you don't talk about the bottlenecks that you have within your business. Now with the *240 hash, the menu line is very rich. You are able to pay for your goods, you are able to pay for airtime, you are able to pay to your suppliers, and above all, you are able to get that instant loan that you have been looking out for. So with DFCU, smaller life, smaller business, so don't hesitate when you have that bottleneck. DFCU has you covered with the *240 hash. I look forward to everyone who is able to join us. We thank our customers who are already with us at DFCU and those who are yet to join. Thank you very much.
All right, you've heard it from William Kayongo, the head of enterprise banking, DFCU Bank. Yes, get in charge of your finances. You don't have any reason not to be in charge of your finances. Well, we've come to the end.